Yeah.
What are you going to cook?
Beef.
Beef?
Finger meat.
Beef.
Finger meat?
And lamb.
And then
for the
what's
ladies.
that thing for? You're gonna cook that one? Use that one to cook?
Yeah.
You know that's for Chinese BBQ, right?
Yes.
So you guys know how to cook?
I might be able to dabble in the culinary arts a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm Chinese, but I don't know how to do this one.
Yeah. We'll get it going here in a bit.
Okay, good. Let's do it. For beer?
Pigeon.
For pigeon. Tim,
Yes.
explain this one.
So what you do, you throw your charcoal in here, and you light it up, and you get it the coals nice and hot.
It's for pigeon.
And you dump it in here, bam.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Soak it for how long? Soak the. Okay. So just this one. This one's full.
I'll show you my lump of charcoal.
Not too much meat.
That's good.
How many?
Hmm?
How many?
How many you want? I don't know how many.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think.
Oh,
four.
for each one? 4 or 5, depending.
Yeah.
I think 5's.
5. Lamb and then beef. Ooh, smoky.
Move over there.
One there, one here. I'll rake it.
Why are you using that Tim?
Don't do that now.
Not yet.
Oh. Tim, can you play something else instead of using that one?
Well, oh yeah. Sure.
Oh my goodness. Still the same. Ooh, it looks nice.
When do you salt?
Oh, at the end. Season at the end.
Is it? It's a beautiful day to have barbecue. You're a professional one now.
No, not yet.
专业级别，对不对？专业的吗？
Whatever you said.
Yeah. 厨师means chef.
I'm not a chef.
You're not chef?
No.
You're chef today.
I'm a chef today.
Yeah. Chef. 好吃吧？好吃吧 ？Taste good？ 好吃。怎么？好吃，好吃，好吃。
Yeah, film the ladies eating, man.
好吃。
That's good.
Good, taste good. 好吃。也许阿信好吃吗？好吃。好吃。